Hello my friend, today I will show you how to make a nice title animation like the one you see right now on your screen. Let's go! So we're in Premiere Pro, we have our intro video. Hello my friend, today I will show you how to make a nice title animation. I already put the marks on the places where I'm saying nice title animation. Nice title animation. Right now let's create the titles. To do that you just press T and then you just press on the screen and write it. Title. Let's make like this. Nice title animation. And first I want to create it just as an example to see location where it's supposed to be, so it would look nice and aligned. Then I will just make the opacity something like 25, or I think 45 is fine. And right now I will start to create one word by one word because we need to make different animation on every word. I hold Alt and drag and drop the clip to copy it, and from here I will just leave nice and we'll align it. And now we need to create animation, so I will move my playhead a little bit further where animation should already stop, and now I will apply effect called transform. As usually, if you don't have effect panel on your screen, you should go to the window and find the effect panel there. So now when we have our transform, we create position keyframe on the spot where animation is supposed to finish, and then we move playhead to the start of our title and move it where it's supposed to start. For example, I want it to appear from right and go to the left. Ease in temporal interpolation for the second keyframe, so our animation will be nice and smooth. It will start fast and then finish. Nice title. Okay. Nice title. More or less fine. Let's make it a little bit longer. Let's make opacity 100. And right now we need to make a shutter angle to make the motion blur. Yeah, something like this. I will add one more thing. I will make keyframe on the opacity. I will make it start from 0. And in a few frames I will make it 100%, so it will just appear out of nowhere. I think even less than few frames. Something like this. Nice title animation. Beautiful. Now I copy that, move it to the second mark, so it should be the word title. So I move it and rename it title. And I need to fit it right where was our template. Oh yeah, beautiful. And right now, title already animated. And the same we're doing with the word animation. Animation. Okay. And now it fits perfectly. Now we can delete our template. Move everything one track below. To move one track up or one track below, it's you hold Alt and move by the arrow buttons. And else I would like to make some kind of a sound design. So I want to make some whoosh sound. Usually when I need some simple one sound, I just go in YouTube and write, for example, whoosh as a fix. I found that one, and for me it's perfect one. I will leave the link below. It's perfect because it's 50 seconds of different whooshes, which is nice. So I already know that that one is nice for our purposes. Right now I need to align it so it would sound perfectly. And I will make the volume less. To open audio gain menu you need to press G, and I will put -22. Nice title. Nice, and then we will copy it for every single title. And what we have right now, make a nice title animation like the one you see right now on your screen. Beautiful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe on my channel for more tutorials.